March 28, 2025. The earth shook and the world broke. We watched the walls fall down as the air turned into smoke. The music stops in the dust. The hill is heavy and still. Heavy and still. The pagoda spires fell down. The mosque and churches broke apart. Everything we built is gone. This pain belongs to every heart. The bells do not ring anymore. We use our hands to move the stones. Searching through the broken streets, no one has to cry alone. Mandalay myoha na chimuri ne piena nide. Bada bonzo nga luri ngo chwe ne jare ngaro chite myo le ko song shong lai ya bi. Da bi me ngaro du du let twe tha ja me. City potore nye khakong mi. Lady rain and pya chang le le pya si gong mi. Ngaro ti sao khe them ya along pya pwe twa de. Di na chin mu ha ngaro along yen alone da de ma ba. 1 year since the ground broke. Mandalay 2025. 1 year of holding on together. Nyeji pyo kwe gera tanishibi. Mandalay, fueling us. Alone do do jo pya kere tanippo.